Hello, how's everyone doing? My name is Auntie Gray. I hope you're feeling blessed and highly favored and fantastic. Today, we are finally connecting together. I am the creator of Crwnlickz, Crwnlickz.com, and these big, juicy, pre-stuffed, pre-filled, pre-fluffed, they are big and voluptuous head wraps, literally the size of my head. But what you're not going to say is they small and unqualified. No, absolutely not. I am the creator of these though. I'm ready to show you guys, but not just show you, but also tell you. Lately, I have been doing a lot of visual content for them and showing you guys like that. Some people are verbal learners, and I'm here to talk to you verbally about it. Stay tuned and subscribe wherever that button is, please, because we have so much in store. We have so much in store. Not just these wraps, but so many different types of wraps, innovative work that I plan to do here on this platform. So don't miss out. Don't miss out on your blessing. Don't do that. Subscribe. Now let's go. So you're getting 5 things in one order. A head wrap that is pre-stuffed, satin lined with a grip headband and a premium wash bag. Okay, you see this? That's quality. That's quality. I'm gonna just let you know right now. It's quality. It's not a bunch of holes. It's going to last you for years. Every order. Premium. Low quality, nothing. Premium. Okay, a handful of goodies. A lot of excitement everywhere. Get your Crwnlickz wrap. I'm telling you, like, I just washed this and it still look brand new. Like, I have worn this several times. I'm wearing gray today, as you can see, so, you know, let's do what it do with the gray wrap today. I double stitched everything, as you can see. This is double stitch all in here and even inside of it. So it's gonna last you for years. Don't play. So here's the seam. You're going to face it where the seam is. You see that? Because that's where the friction is. The friction is going here. So make sure the seam is right in the front. Okay. That part that's folded is going to be in the back. Whether you want the headband here, not showing your edges. If you do want to show your edges or your baby hairs, just, you know, just place it where you want it to be placed. So it's like, okay, I think I want my edges to show this much. So that's where your head wrap is going to be. So when you put on your head wrap, it's going to be from here. All right. And then whatever, you know, your baby hairs, whatever, it will show this much, basically. Wherever you plan to place the head wrap, that's where you're going to place the grip headband first. So if you try to put the headband here first, right? And then you put the head wrap over it, and then you try to slide it back because you realize you want to show your edges or, you know, your baby hairs or whatever. It is going to be harder for you to do that because the whole purpose of the grip headband is to not move, you know, so you're forcing it to go back, so it's bound to kind of within itself inside the head wrap, okay? And we don't want that, so make sure it's where exactly it needs to be prior. But today, I usually do have my baby hairs or swoops out. Today I'm going to have a full coverage for, you know, you guys that really don't want nothing to do with your hair. I get it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Right after that, the longer, smoother part is going to be right in the back of your head first, and then the short, rougher part is going to be right on that. Okay, so longer part first, shorter part second. So just to recap, the seam to the front, the hairline, whether it's here or halfway here, longer, smoother side to the back of the head, and then the rougher, shorter part follows. All right, and you don't have to pull it, by the way. You don't have to pull it. You can gently just put it together. Of course, if you stretch it out, you know, it might wear it out. Okay, so you don't want to do that. And since we're talking about it, I would recommend to air dry your grip headband, by the way. Don't put it in the dryer. You can put it in the washer. You can put it in the washing machine, but don't put it in the drying machine due to the Velcro in it. You know, you don't want to melt off the sticky part, okay? So we have it on now, so that is the first step. Mind you, this is not going to take as long as maybe the video is. I just want to break certain things down, okay? So once you got it, it's literally less than a second, I promise you. And by the way, you don't have to have your hair twisted inward, you know, cross together like I have it here. This is just my go-to. I would recommend cornrow. If you are a baldy babe, that's even better. If you do have long hair or even like locks to hair or so, or you're starting your lock journey, you don't have to feel like you can't wear this. You can definitely wear this. I don't care how long your hair or how thick it is. If you could put your hair in a top knot, a little top knot situation to the top, or even a low bun, you can wear this. So I just want to clarify that. Ooh, the exciting part. We're gonna put it to the front and back in this video, but let's start off with the front, okay? Since I have it here, that's where it's going to be. So this is how it looks so far. It's not going nowhere. It's smooth. To the back. Different ways you could wear this, but I'm gonna just show you at least one way in this video how to initially wear it. One arm is in the front, one arm is to the back. We're just gonna call them arms for now. So you're gonna put your hand through here. Well, this is what I do. I put my hand through here and I turn it to the left, okay? So the front is gonna be to the back, and then the back is gonna be to the front, okay? So we're gonna twist it to the left. As you can see, it's already crossing. And then we're going to flip it down and pass through the bun. All right. And mind you, this is freshly washed, so I'm probably going to have to fluff it, which is good, so I can show you guys. I'm gonna bring the arms down. Even though, let me see something. I mean, I could wear it like this. Okay. I could wear it like this, but I kind of want to fluff it a little bit more and make it a little wider. So, you know, hey, sometimes you don't even have to fluff it, right? But let's say you do, or you want to. Bring the arms down like I just did here, all right? And then what I'm going to do is grab the fluff like this and spread it. So I'm gonna spread it and then fluff it like so, all right? Fluff it how you want it. Try to get like a little more rounder. I think this is good. I like it like this. Okay, so after you fluff it the way you desire, I do like to stretch it from here just a little bit. Don't pull on it, but just stretch it just a little bit if you want. And then when I bring it up, I'm going to tuck the bun in. Okay. And I think good. Like this. This is how I want mine to look. And I feel good about it, honestly. Alright, so you can also tuck in the seam. If there's a seam showing, you can tuck it in right there. I'll turn it around for you. There's a mirror here, so looking in the mirror, because it's hard to look at myself in this small screen. And I feel good about it. And there you go. It's really nothing to it. Like, even just putting it on the first time, it was already ready to go, but I didn't want to, you know, adjust it accordingly. But this is how you would probably wear it initially. Okay, so let me turn around for you. How it looks to the side. How it looks to the back. Okay, the seam not showing no more, and to the other side. Okay, so of course, if I put my hair all the way up, this would have been flatter, or if I cornrolled it or whatever, but I just felt like doing it. I just do it all the time because I'm lazy natural. I can't stress that enough. There's so many ways you can, you know, wear your own hair inside of this head wrap that would be good to go. This is how it looks with no edges out, not going nowhere. Okay, on the head, nice and snug. But it's not tight, and as you can see, I am wearing glasses, so if you do wear glasses, it's comfortable. It's not tight at all. You're not going to get a headache or have any, you know, burns around your ears. There's different ways you could actually twist this and so on and so forth, but I will probably do that in a different video just to not make this particular one too long. So like I said, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's bring it to the back. All right, and I usually wear it to the back, honestly, like. That's really my go-to. So I'm gonna put it right where the grip headband is, right? So let's do that. I'm going to put it over my ears. You can put it to the back as well, by the way. That's up to you. If you want to put it to the back, especially if you don't have glasses in the way, you can do that, okay? Just let you know. But in this video, I'm going to put it over my ears, and it's very comfortable. Like I said, the fact that I have glasses and I put it over my ears is a plus. So I'm going to cross each arm like this, okay? So cross it and then flip it. Okay, simple as that. Then I did tuck in a little bit. Tuck it in a little bit. Just fluff it inside the tuck. This is really my go-to. Like, you're rushing to go somewhere, or you just don't get a deal with your hair. Just flip it, okay? Flip it and go, right? Okay. I could real quick just show you. Do the halfway. You can, like I said, I just moved it a little bit to the back a little bit more. Just to show a little something. I didn't really do my swoopy swoops, not today. But right where you put that grip headband to show just a little bit. And then, like I said, to the left, and right where the grip headband was placed, that's exactly where the head wrap is. Okay, so I'm showing you a little bit of my hair. There you go. So you get the head wrap, the fluff, the grip headband to keep it in place, the satin line inside for protection, and also, as you can see, to make sure you can keep it for years to come. To show you guys how quick and easy this is, I'm going to time it right now, okay? So listen. Right, it's starting. I'm already wasting time. Ooh, I don't even have it in the right direction. All right, seam in the front, long to the back, short right on top of that. And then right where the grip headband is, twist to the left, and fluff it like so. And we are ready to go. Okay. What time is it? Let's say 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Less than a minute. What hairstyle can you do less than a minute? I'll wait. They're called T-crowns, by the way. This T-crown here is the smoke. So if you want the smoke, go to Crwnlickz.com. And maybe some giveaways. You might just get this on the house just cause you subscribe. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? So when you go on Crwnlickz.com, make sure you are signed up for the rewards program, okay? It will be at the bottom of the page. You can sign up and earn points already, okay? Just signing up will give you 200 points. There's so many ways you can earn points, not just by buying. But of course, when you do constantly come through, you're gonna have a lot of points that convert to monies. Yes, we here, baby. We here. Fun, you know. So thank you for just taking the time to watch this video. I hope you are subscribed or plan to soon. So make sure you are staying updated. And if you have any comments, if you want to talk, let's get in the comment section. What would you like to see? Stay blessed and highly favored. Love you, life.